So right now we are on the 6th floor of Hilton Manila Hotel. So we will be staying at room 648 for 3 days and 2 nights in preparation for our flight to Haneda on Tuesday and then to Sapporo, Hokkaido on Wednesday. Okay. So, where's room 648? 647, and here's room 648. Okay. Yeah, this is our room. So we have a single bed since our grandchildren are not with us. They are at Salerno. We booked them also. We have another booking at Holiday Inn for those who want to stay. Okay, so this is our bedroom for 2 nights. Then there's a spa, and then okay, someone is knocking. Okay, there's our things. Okay. Pakilagay na lang po. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, they have brought our luggages. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This will be our luggage for Japan. So we have an intap, ASB01 and ASB02. So we have a bathroom here, slippers, there's a bowl, there's the water. We will request for additional bottle of water. And here is the bathtub. This is shower room, just like in our house. Itong ganito po ang aking pinagawang toilet and bathroom. No? Yeah, transparent po siya. And then there's the toilet with the bidet. And here's the washroom. Okay, so we have to dial 0 for the housekeeping for them to bring us some more essential and necessity that we will be using for the rest of our stay here. Okay. So we now have the welcome by Hilton Manila. Okay. Very good. Nice room. Thank you. Hopefully we will have a good flight and stay in Japan, especially in Sapporo, Hokkaido. Okay. So we'll be staying in Japan for 9 days. And we'll be back here after 9 days. Okay. We have already prepared our e-travel QR code as well as the QR code for Japan and visit Japan. Okay.
Smile po, ma'am, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, tuloy-tuloy lang daw po. Iba-ibang pose naman, sir. Galaw-galaw, sir.
Kailangan mag-subscribe ka para makita mo yung sarili mo. Yan. Thank you.